Welcome to Emsv, Electronic Manufacturing Service Vietnam, where technology, precision, and dedication come together to deliver world-class electronic manufacturing solutions. Founded in Ho Chi Minh City, Emsv has grown into a trusted partner for global technology companies. With expertise spanning design support, NPI, mass production, and supply chain management, we serve customers across diverse industries such as Smt Pcba, final test and packaging for electronic devices, choke manufacturing. Emsv specializes in choke and inductor manufacturing, with fully automated production lines for power chokes. Ferrite cores are fed into the system, coils are wound automatically, terminals inserted, surfaces checked by AOI, laser codes marked, and finally each unit is packaged in trays. For industrial coils, advanced machinery handles large-scale winding, core pressing, and terminal soldering, while operators assemble and attach housings. Every coil then undergoes electrical testing, resistance, inductance, and high pot, followed by barcode scanning and carton packaging. We ensure consistency, traceability, and world-class quality. At Emsv, we provide end-to-end electronics manufacturing services, from SMT and PCBA to full product assembly. In the SMT and PCBA stage, components are mounted with precision by high-speed pick-and-place machines. Board surfaces are inspected automatically by AOI systems. Soldering and rework are performed by skilled operators under microscopes. And finally, every unit undergoes ICT and functional testing. Moving on to full product assembly for smart glasses, PCBAs are transferred to housing assembly stations, where operators integrate FPC modules, lenses, and batteries. Each device is then tested for buttons and connectivity before being packaged as a finished product ready for shipment. Our facilities handle complex builds such as smart glasses, ensuring each product passes rigorous functional and reliability testing before shipment. We implement strict quality control processes, ensuring every product meets international standards such as ISO, IPC, and customer-specific requirements. Behind every product is our dedicated team of engineers, operators, and managers, all working with one mission: to deliver excellence and build long-term partnerships. Trusted by global leaders in energy, smart devices, and high-tech industries, Emsv is proud to be a partner of choice. Our containers keep moving forward, delivering Emsv products to customers worldwide. This is the journey of trust, quality, and lasting commitment we strive for. Emsv, your trusted partner in electronics manufacturing. Together, we build the future.